Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn about some Express Validator. In the last video you have checked, we have installed body parser. In that we are getting that data from any form because of this in a JSON format. This like that body parser.json and body parser.url encoded. That will give you data in a JSON format. As in the last, I will run it again, this app, and we will check this again. So whenever you will pass this and click on the sign up, you have to check C. Currently there is no validation. You can see in the route everything is console log here, your request or body. But for that Express Validator we have to use. So first of all you have to install body part from Express Validator. That's called require and then Express Validator, correct? And you have to add a one middleware here. That's called validate sign up. Validate, you can give any name, but I'll give the validate sign up, correct? So this will be is an array, correct? We took validate sign up as a array because there is a lot of fields we have to validate. First you have to validate email body dot, this is the syntax, you will pass the name of your ID. After that is email and it should be normalized email, and after that you have to send with message invalid email address. Second thing you have to take body dot password, that's your second field, body dot password, in which you have to check length, first length, that should be in object minimum 6. After that there will be last body and the name field is confirm password. So in this you have to first use custom, and this will be value and request, correct? After that you have to check here if value not equal to request dot body dot password, then you have to throw error password is correct. So you have passed here, but you don't have to throw any error here. You have not passed any error here. So you have to add one, you have to validation result, is the one key you have to pass, and you have to add here errors is equal to validation result, and here you have to pass as a request. So here you have to check one more thing, errors dot is empty. If it will be empty, then if it will be not empty, not empty. Empty means there will be no error, but in this you have to return response dot status 400, and the message will be on the JSON, and here error will be errors dot array, like that. So we have used Express Validator with the use of some body and validation result. So you have to just check here whenever you will reload this. We are getting one error. What is this error? Body dot password dot okay. So here I think it is not a length. It should be dot is length. It will be is length. Node app.js. Yeah, it's running. Now you have to just check here. Correct. Pass anything here. Correct. And send. See. We will use as a prettier error field, type field, value, what you have sent, invalid email address, patch email, location, body from. Because this took from the body. Same this is for this. So this is the how we can use Express Validator in our Node.js. Correct. On the body, validation are very important for our backend, because on the from the front end side they will also validate. But if a hacker or any person unusually do this thing, so that will crack our DB. And if he added some anonymous data in our DB, that will very harmful for us. So thank you for this lecture. Next, we'll meet you in the next lecture.